I'm in Puerto Rico. Hey Burpees. Welcome back. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. This is almost like a vlog video, honestly, because like I said, my honey brought me to Puerto Rico. I told you I was going on vacation, on a mini vacation. I'm finally here. Look at these little clams. So this is linguine, and it has like clams and parsley and little mushrooms and everything. So let's try it. Ow!
Good.
It has to be handmade. Wow, it's good. Asparagus. You guys, we're literally almost at 1,000 subscribers. Like, that is crazy. It's crazy. That's real. I don't know, but this is good. Guys, I'm having a freaking amazing time. Like, my honey really went all out. This resort, we're staying at the Ritz Carlton, is so freaking good. Oh no. Yeah, I've been drinking. Yeah, I've been drinking all day since I got here. You guys, it's so beautiful here. I've never been. Tomorrow, we can go to a water resort and come with the hotel. Like, this hotel is big as crap. It's big as crap. We're almost at 1,000 followers. Like, I don't even know what to say. Like, I don't even know what to say. Like, of course, thank you. Because it's like, wow, you like me? I like you too. So, for that, I'm going to chug this. Ooh. I like that champagne. I'm not going to chug that. Guys, there's a lot of clams in here. Well, they give me a little fork. Maybe it's to get the clams out. Hold on. That thing just sliding off. Baby, you like clams?
Huh?
You like clams?
Yeah.
This is a mushroom. This is a mushroom. That's a mushroom. Thank you. Maybe it wasn't kind of look like a mushroom. Oh no. Let me tell you, if there's one thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drop my damn food. That's one thing. Okay. So what's new, guys? I'm trying to think about what's new with me, but I'm just like fucking enjoying this little break from my children. Get out of the goddamn house, not having to worry about nothing. It feels so bomb in here. It's probably like, what you think, baby? Like 70 something?
Yeah.
Like 70.
Right now, yeah.
But what you think? 70 what? Like 73? But it's like
right now.
75? Yeah, and you can feel like the breeze from like the water. Ooh. Guys, I can burp here because it's loud, so they won't really care. Oh yes. I feel like these little clams. You know what I wish there was? Mussels. I love it so much. You take it off? It's a little hot in here. Get a little tipsy in here. Baby, you want to try these noodles? It's homemade, honey. Bomb. Bomb. I wish it was more. It's not really that much in here, but... So good. So guys, what do you think we should do when we hit 1,000 followers? No, I want y'all to leave me suggestions down. Oh my God, someone too. Down in the comments on what I should do when we get 1,000 subscribers. Ooh. I'm literally chugging champagne. I'm gonna be drunk. Oh, this linguine though is so good. I told you those were little mushrooms. Wow, it's so good. I crack this little meal real quick. I don't even like mushrooms. But that mushroom's good. Oh, wait. That was horrible. I couldn't see shit. Okay, guys, this is what you're gonna have to get. Anyway. Yeah, I'm really enjoying this little vacay. Kids go back to school on Monday for hybrid learning. And a lot of parents just choose to do it. I don't understand why. Like, let them go back. Excuse me.
Everything was good?
Mm-hmm. I'm still eating. It's really good.
Pardon me? The grilled calamari, sir? Absolutely.
Baby, try these mushrooms. Wow. Like, first of all, look at these mushrooms. See, I see. Ooh, of course, I always drop something. But try it. That is so good.
Mushrooms?
Yes. And you know, I don't even like mushrooms. Hey, bro. He loves mushrooms. He can take all the mushrooms in the world. You want some more clams?
Mushroom is the new thing.
You said mushrooms is what?
New thing.
Yeah, mushrooms is the thing for the year. For real. But yeah, guys, we're almost there. Let me know what I should do for when we get to 1,000 subscribers. Guys, let me know.
Huh? Oh, we good? Okay.
Oh, no, I'm okay.
Oh, I mean, I thought it was to be okay.
It's okay. Baby, I'm definitely going to be fine. He said. Ooh. Okay. Again, let me know what you think I should do for my 1,000 subscribers video. I feel you could be like, oh, excuse me. I might vlog. I might put a video so y'all can see how the whole trip was. You know what I'm saying? Baby daddy / fiance, he got that. He got that gold digger money. Gold digger money. Get drunk. Anyway, till the next time. I might give y'all a vlog. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I'll give y'all another burping video. I feel like that's what I want from me anyway, is another fucking burping video. So, you know, maybe I'll do that. Right, baby?
Yeah.
Excuse me. Yeah, that was like a little bit. I'm gone. That was like a little bit of food. Bye. Excuse me. We need some more champagne.